Hi, this is Dave from Hectors Smokehouse, and today I'm going to be making another condiment which is going to be like a base recipe. I'm going to be making a very simple mayonnaise using a stick blender. It's going to be quite plain, but what I'm going to use is this mayonnaise I'll be using over the coming months and adding different flavours to the mayonnaise. So it's very simple to do, take probably just over a minute to actually make. You can do it at home very simply, and then it's a brilliant base to actually add things to and change the flavours. So you can use it in your barbecue or in your everyday cooking. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please click like and please subscribe to the channel. The method I'm using today is a little bit different to what I did previously in the video that I did with the Black Garlic Aioli. Last time I used a Kitchenaid blender. This time I'm just going to try and use a stick blender. So this is a Bamic stick blender. So what I'm going to do is into the mixing bowl, I've added 3 egg yolks. I've gone into there. I'm going to put just over a teaspoon of Dijon Mustard into there. So, you know, again, depends on what your taste is, but I quite like Dijon. I'm also going to put a splash of apple cider vinegar into there as well to get a bit of tartness. So probably just looking at a teaspoon's worth. And you can actually change obviously the flavours to suit afterwards. So if you want to put more acidity into there, you can, but this is a good base recipe for just making it nice and plain. We're going to add salt and pepper at the end. This is 300 millilitres of peanut oil. And it's a very mild flavour is peanut oil. So I actually prefer this more than sunflower oil or any of the other types of oils you can use in a mayonnaise. Sometimes it can be overpowering. This makes it really nice and simple. So that's all I'm going to put in for now. And then we're going to start to blend this up. So we're going to start to blend this up. And what we'll do is we'll just give it a quick pulse at the bottom, a couple of pulses before we actually start to pull it back through. And you can see straight away, pretty quickly it starts to form the mayonnaise. So you need to move that around. I can feel it starting to thicken up now. So you can see it's starting to emulsify nicely and thicken up. So a very, very quick way to make mayonnaise. And you can see already it started to thicken up quite nicely and turn into mayonnaise. So I'll just give this another couple of seconds and that should be done. So you can see there, the mayonnaise is pretty much mixed up and pretty good. I'm going to add some salt into there. So a bit of a sprinkle of some fresh salt. I'm going to give that a dash of pepper as well. And I actually enjoy probably a little bit more of the vinegar side, so I'm going to add a tiny little bit more vinegar into here as well. So I'll give that a quick splash of a bit more apple cider vinegar and then just mix this back through again. That a quick taste. That's beautiful. So that's a really good base for a mayonnaise, very simple and easy to do. And you can easily do this in a Kitchenaid. If you want to do it in a Kitchenaid, you can add more Dijon if you want to add more Dijon or more salt and pepper. So just adjust the flavour to suit your own personal palate. But this is a nice, simple, easy way to actually make mayonnaise. So the mayonnaise is made, and all I'm going to do now is take it out of the mixing bowl and start to put it into an airtight container. They say it keeps good for maybe 2 or 3 days. I've maybe kept this for nearly a week. Just be careful. But again, as I say, it's really easy. Use this as a base. You can use it to make aioli by adding garlic in there. You can add sriracha and make a sriracha or a wasabi mayonnaise. I've also turned it into Caesar salad, and it makes a wonderful Caesar salad. So yeah, there you go. That's what it looks like, all finished. And I think you can see it looks really, really nice. That's it, all ready to go into the fridge now. And you agree that looks pretty good, nice and easy to make. Probably only took just over a minute to actually blend it and mix it. So it's a very simple thing to actually do, and a lot better than buying mayonnaise from a shop. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. You can now see how easy it is to actually make your own mayonnaise. I've only just started making my own mayonnaise after 50 years. I always was scared of doing it. I thought there was some sort of an art to it, and it is tricky a little bit at the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it's very, very simple, and it's so much better than store-bought. So I highly recommend doing it yourself and adding different flavours to really sort of kick it up into whatever you want. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. If you did, please click like and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you again soon.